Let's go.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm teacher Adel Ahmed and we are in grade 5. Today we are going to, after seeing the data, we are going to, inshallah, complete the lesson we started yesterday, which is reading. Yesterday we started with reading and today, inshallah, we are going to complete this reading lesson. You know, from time to time, the net is not working so well, and I have to wait for the students for sometimes. As you see here, it's not loading well. So what can I do? What can I do except I wait? So I have frankly to wait and wait for a long time until the net comes and it works well. So I wish I could, yeah, now it's working. I just remind you with yesterday's lesson because some of you were here yesterday. Here are some of the vocab we studied yesterday. Okay, we are going to start with them. Okay, coast.
Expanse.
Expanse, and here is coast. Okay, coast means like the coast of a sea.
Medicine.
Okay, like the coast of the
Alaska.
This is Alaska, or you know, it is the coast of the sea. We'll check. Yeah, I think it's here. Where is coast? Yeah, this is the word coast. Coast means a long area alongside the sea or the ocean, so it's called coast, like the coast of Red Sea or in Saudi Arabia here, okay, or the coast of the Arab Gulf in Khobar or in Zahran and so on. This is the word coast. Here is we studied also yesterday also about some kind of dogs called husky dogs, and these dogs are so famous in performing some activities. Just listen to me now and we will inshallah ask one by one. Also we studied words like the word medicine. The word medicine. Where is medicine? Yes, here is the word medicine, and we are going to get the word here. We said that medicine is like things we take when we are ill. If you are ill, of course, you will have medicine. Okay. We knew about disease like the coronavirus. It's a germ or diseases. So,
Alaska.
No, it's not. Alaska is in the United States. Yes, I'm sorry, because sometimes I bath in the mouse over the word. Okay, mushers. These are the mushers. I told you that mushers are people who are using the dogs. Okay, to move around an area, or to, especially in Alaska or in Canada or in these very cold places, they are walking and they are taking their dogs to help them to drag their carrots.
Alaska.
Alaska is a famous place in the United States of America, and in Alaska, the story of the dogs happened there. Here is we have also the word team, like football team, like rugby team, like any team sport is called team. A group of people. Team is a group of people playing together. Any sport, any kind of sport. Snowstorm is like this. It's a very strong wind, okay, or with a lot of ice. Blizzard also the same, a wind but less ice than storm. It's not as strong as storm. Expanse means vast.
Expanse.
Okay, these are the words we mentioned yesterday. look at the pictures and we read them. I just revised the vocabulary of yesterday. I tried to put it in order. It's very important, frankly, as I told you, your friend now in grade 6, that every day you should at least know 10 words or 5 words or 7 words. It's very useful to know a lot of vocabulary, but because if you know a lot of vocabulary, you will be able to understand and to speak, to write, because I think that vocabulary as a whole, vocabularies are the tools which you use to speak, to write, to listen. It's the language, vocabulary and grammar. This is my conception about the language.
Team.
Now, okay, team, yeah. Now I'll check one by one. Dr. Karam Ghanaim. Dr. Karam, where are you? Karam, assalamu alaikum.
Yes, teacher.
Can you read these words here, Karam?
Okay.
Read them.
Measures. Alaska.
Alaska.
Disease.
Expanse.
Alaska.
Yes, disease.
Expanse.
Yeah.
Disease.
Coast.
Disease.
Coast. Coast.
Medicine.
Medicine. Husky dogs.
Excellent.
Team.
Blizzard.
Snowstorm.
Okay.
Blizzard.
Thank you, my dear. Where is Mansoor? I haven't heard him since a long time. Mansoor, my friend, assalamu alaikum.
Yes, teacher.
I missed you, Mansoor. Please. Okay, read these words, please, if you don't mind. Measures,
where,
yes.
teacher?
Measures, yes.
Yeah, measures here.
Alaska.
Alaska. Expanse. Disease.
Disease.
Cost.
Coast.
Cost. Medicine.
Medicine.
Medicine. Husky dogs.
Excellent.
Blizzard. Snowstorm.
Please, Mansoor, attend every day just to memorize words, and because if you don't attend with me, you will, of course, have a loss because I know how to deal with you, Mansoor. Please, Mansoor, try to attend me and with the teacher, of course, at school. And I thank you for coming today, Mansoor.
You're welcome, teacher.
Thank you, my friends.
Welcome, teacher. Thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We have here questions and answers. Okay. We are going to try to match these questions and answers. We will put these before reading. We will understand some of the questions here. I put the answers up and the question down, and we will try to find the answer. What happened to Henry Ivanov? This is one of the team who, one of the teams, okay, who moved and helped to move the medicine from the states, from the United States to Alaska, which is a part also of the United States, but it's very far from the capital or the main part of the United States. It's beside Canada, if you look at the map. And as I told you the story yesterday, there were some students who were so ill and there were no means of transport, or there is no means of transport which can move the medicine to the students who are about to die. So we'll check what happened to Henry Ivanov. We'll check now. They ran into reindeer got This is a team of Ivanov. They tried to get reindeers, but of course the reindeer are not as successful as dogs. They were not as successful as dogs, and of course they could not continue. And after this, we have how far did Tabu have to jump across the freezing water? Tabu, as I told you, is one of the greatest dogs. Still, frankly, its mummy is still in the museum because Tabu is a hero and its mummy is still there. How could he cross? How far? How far did he? How far? Not how far. How far did Tango have to jump across the freezing water? Okay. Check this. Okay. Freezing water, 100.5 meters. Okay, of course, it was freezing water, and of course, Tagu, after this trip, was about to die, and it was so ill. What was the name of Sibala's lead dog? It was Tagu. Also, Sibala's one of the teams. So, Evinov's team, Sibala's teams. These are kind of groups which could help, and if every group has some dogs, or one of them was having Indians. Okay, so it was called Tagu. This is the dog which tried to reach to the place. When did the medicine arrive at the coast? Okay, 21st of January, the medicine arrived to the coast. How long did the relay go on for? 4 days and nights. 4 days and nights. This is the time it took to reach there. It means that those people could find a way to could struggle. It's a kind of struggle, a kind of trouble to move in such very bad weather, to move the medicine. I want you to imagine the situation. Students who are so ill in a cold place. Okay, the students are so ill, they are about to die, and the weather is bad. This is, as we call in Arabic, warta, dilemma in English, dilemma. So they cannot find a way. They are confused. So they use the dogs, and every team has tried just to reach on time, just to make the students live, or to cause life to them. Okay, now Faris Al-Ghamdi, we'll start with read with him. Faris Al-Ghamdi. Faris Al-Ghamdi. Yeah, hello Faris.
Hello.
Faris, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Faris, read the questions and answer, please. Here is the first question. Yes, read this. What
was the name of the spell?
Sibala's lead dog. Sibala's one of the teams. Yes, it was called
Togo.
Okay, the other question. When did
the medicine arrive at the
coast? 31st January.
31st January.
Excellent.
How long did the
relay go on for? This trip, how long does it take to, or did it take to reach there?
It take 4 days and nights.
4 days and nights. Look, 4 days and night in a very bad weather, in a centigrade, in a temperature under or minus 50, look, minus 50 or more. Very bad weather. Okay. The next, what happened?
What happened
To Ivanov's team.
to Ivanov's team?
Henry Ivanov's team, yes. They
ran into a redden
reindeer. You know reindeer,
Reindeer.
this animal, like the Sami people who has a reindeer, and got tangled. It could not complete the trip in a hurry. Okay, because something is, they could not overcome all the problems. Yes. How far?
How far did Togo have to jump across the freezing
Freezing
water?
water.
Freezing.
5 meters.
1.5 meters.
Okay, thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
Now I'll go to Abdullah Abdul Aziz. Who's Abdullah Abdul Aziz? Abdullah Abdul Aziz, my friend. Abdullah Abdul Aziz, if you hear me. Okay, now let's go to this. We'll have now episodes from the book, and we are going to read them. Picture 1. This is in picture 1, the first part. We are going to read, and we have closed just leave a word. Amir Nawafla, assalamu alaikum. Amir, assalamu alaikum. Amir al-Nawafla, assalamu alaikum.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, help me, Amir. What can you see here in the picture?
I see dogs.
Dogs. What are the dogs doing here, do you think?
I think it's
They are
the medicine.
they are taking a carrot. They are having a medicine, and as you see here, it is cold weather or it is hot weather.
No, it's cold water.
It's very cold weather. They are moving from Washington, for example, to Alaska. Okay, why? Because some of the students were about to die, and they have to
give Alaska a medicine.
Yeah, they are going to give them Amir. Excellent, Amir. You're living in English, improved a lot. And this is my bride. Alhamdulillah. Read Amir, picture 1. This is about the picture 1. This is
Wait.
I'm waiting.
Okay. This is a true story of who twin mushrooms.
These are the
And
mushrooms. 150 dogs. Amir, have I lost connection with Amir? Amir.
And one favorite
50
dogs.
dogs. 50
dogs.
Yeah. Save the
life of 1,000 people in the winter of 1094.
Look, you can read it. 1925.
1925.
Yes.
Noma is a small town.
Yeah, it's a small town in the north of
Alaska in January
1925, yes. Some
1925. Some
children
in the town became ill and died.
The doctor realized
It's called cruise infinitive and kill every day in that town.
Wait, Amir, my friend. You are excellent. Your accent is very excellent. But please slow just to pronounce and to say every word as it is. Realize it was a terrible disease, you know, disease like the coronavirus now. Yes, go on, Amir. It could quickly.
But the weather was too cold, and it could not take off only a dog.
Where are you, Amir? But it could quickly infect and kill everybody in town immediately. He sent for
A plan was ready to
I'm here to fly
the medicine more than
I think
then 1,000 kilometers to Nome, but the weather was too cold and it could not take off only a dog's slug.
Sliggers, yes.
Cold took the medicine, but everyone asked, can the dogs reach Nome
in time?
time?
Yeah, it's very difficult. Even when I read this story once and twice, I feel, you know, I feel how could these dogs and how could people have the ability, sorry, because of the bus, had the ability to get the medicine and give it to the children. Wow, great. I need another one.
Take the medicine because the boys know
they were ill. Thank you, Amir.
did it.
Thank you, Amir. ما جاوبت يا أستاذ. What's your name? ما جاوبت يا أستاذ.
محمد الفضلي.
ما جاوبت يا أستاذ. You are nice, Muhammad, you know.
Thank you, teacher.
I asked who is the name of ما جاوبت يا أستاذ. Yeah. This is the أنت سيد قومك يا محمد ما شاء الله. This is the true story. You know this.
A story of 20 meters and 150 dogs saved
50 not 50 يا محمد. Dog saved
save of 1,000
10,000 people.
10,000 in the winter of 2015. 1915.
Muhammad, wait a minute, you are good. اليوم you are reading very well. 1925.
1925.
Yes,
Name is a small town on the
small town.
Town and the north of Alaska. And January. Alaska and January. On 1915.
1925. Some children.
1925. Children in the town become early and did the doctor
realized
it was a
terrible disease.
Terrible disease. It's called quickly defend and call everybody and the 20
where is it?
Immediate he sent for medicine A banana was read to fill the medicine. More than
plane was ready to.
1,000.
Yeah.
Huh?
A plane was
1,000.
ready to take the medicine to more than 1,000. Yeah, yeah.
1,000 came to name,
Mhm.
but their water was too cold, and it could not talk of Ollie. Ollie, a dog, Celtic. Cold talk the medicine, but everyone asked, can the dog's narration name
Reach.
and time?
Excellent. Anyhow, as you see, time runs so fast. You know, I have only 3 activities and time runs so fast. So I have to stop, but please wait, I want to tell you something. Anyhow, I'll stop recording now. Just 1 minute, give me the chance, 1 minute. Before leaving, I want to say something, but anyhow, I'll stop recording. Thank you.